Hiya, I'm Vicky, and today I'm going to be sculpting an acrylic nail with glitter on the underside and some gel polish marbling. Right, so I'm going to show you how to prep and sculpt an acrylic nail. Taking a 240 grit file, I'm just going to buff over the natural nail. Get rid of that excess dust. And I'm going to use the nail prep dehydrator on the natural nail. Use an acid-free primer. Put that on your nail, then that should mat over as well. Whilst you're waiting, take the form. Take the little tab on the back, place it on the sticky side, so when you roll it, it'll keep that end. Slide it up. Make sure it's nice and tight. It's not going anywhere. And I'm going to use the No Nails Crystal Clear acrylic powder, and also got a hollow glitter. Take a little bit clear, dip it into the glitter, place it on the nail. And just dab it down using the barrel of the brush. Doing a really thin layer because I just want the glitter to show on the underside of the nail. Just repeat that process. Pop a little bit of clear acrylic in that middle bit just to give it a little bit of strength. I'm just going to wait for that to set and harden a little bit. I'm using the No Nails Pure Black Acrylic powder. I'm going to go over the top of this glitter. I'm going to start the cuticle. Pat it. Pat, pat, pat. Down the nail. Just cleaning off my brush, get rid of all the excess powders. No, I've got a little bit of glitter in there. Just go back in with a little bit more of the black. As close to the cuticle area as possible. Bring it down the nail. Same on the other side. crystal clear. Just encapsulate over that black. I'm using the clear acrylic to give it the strength because it's a core powder. So I'm just pinching that with my fingers to see if it's starting to harden up. And it is, so I can put the pinching tool on. Just defines that shape a little bit better and gives it the strength with a C curve. Tap the nail, and you can tell it's set then, because if it's like that, it isn't quite set, that is. Pinch the form and remove. I'm going to start shaping now, do the sides. Some pure acetone and wipe over. Get rid of any score mark left by the file. Using Snow White for the marble. I'm using the Nail Nails 002 brush. I'm just going to load up my brush. A wiggle and another wiggle. Maybe going up the nail. And I'm going to clean my brush off with some gel residue wipe off solution. Load a bit onto my brush and just dab into the uncured gel. And just blot it on and drag it down. This would look really good as well if you did a white base with a black polish running through. I've also done it with neon colours as well. It looks really cute. So you can go back in, load your brush up again, and go over in a different angle. Clean your brush off again. Load it up with some gel residue wipe off, and repeat again. Just dragging your brush through. And if you want to take some off, just keep brushing in the same place and it'll remove it. And wait for that to dry for a second. And then using the Urban Graffiti top coat, just gonna go straight over that design. Cap that free edge. And pop in the lamp for 1 minute, please. Pop some cuticle oil on there. Rehydrate that nail. And there's your finished marble nail, but if you turn it over the other way, it's glittery! Got some sparkly glitter under there. Yay! Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this nail design. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the products are listed below, and I'll see you soon. Bye!